everyone! Welcome to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm going to do a swipe on a round. I think it's a 12-inch round. I'm trying to get a little bit bigger and I'm not doing as many tiles as I was before, so come and join me and see how it turns out. Hi everyone! I decided to do a swipe today on this round canvas board. I've got some violet and gold and pinks and some ice blue. So I'm just trying to decide which if I do a straight line, I'll just do a straight line and then I'll see what I get. All right, this is a light gold by Amsterdam, and I've got a violet, Windsor violet and quinacridone magenta mixed together. This is Windsor violet, and actually this one is, this is quinacridone magenta violet, and this is the same with some Windsor violet and mixed in it. It's darker. All right, let's just pour some down. And my problem is sometimes I don't put enough paint down to get the colors to come right out, so I'm going for it today. And this is a gray lavender pigment by Acrylic pigment. This has gone a little thick. Not too bad though. This is a Acrylic magenta. I'm going to use it all. I think I need a bit of water. I put in this little bottle some water and varnish. And that's what I use to thin down my paints. So it's 3 parts varnish to 1 part water. And then you can just add it to your paints if they thicken up. And then, oh, I got that one already. I'll put some dark violet down. Some dark and lights for contrast. Some gold. I might have to make up some more white. I don't know if I have enough. think I have to, so I'll have to come back. This is a Folk Art Ice Blue. I may as well use up all this magenta because I don't have enough to do anything else with it, so no point in leaving a little bit in there. Okay, that's done. Did I do gray lavender? Yes, I did. I have this other gold. I'm not sure if I want to use it though. I might just stay. Oh yeah, it's a red gold. I'll put a little bit. I might put a little more dark on top. Sorry, I didn't mean to whisper. Dark on top. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm going to make up a little more cell activator. All right, I'm back. So I just made up some more cell activator with my white Amsterdam titanium white and Australian Floetrol. I'm gonna have to order some more. I order it on eBay. I'm in Canada. It takes a long time to get here. All right, so let's see what I can do here. I'm gonna use this, oh, I needed to clean that. I'll use this side. Put my cell activator on here. All right, let's do this. I don't know why it doesn't make cells for me in the middle. All right, let's try this again. It's so pretty. Oh, that's very light there. Put about that much on. Oh, that's a pretty one. I'm just trying to blow that, but they might pop through after. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that didn't work very well there, did it? Okay. I think it's great. More cells are popping through. Oh, I better find my lid before I... All right, I think I will try to spin this. Oh, I don't know. I always lose my lids. Here we go. All right. I wonder if I should tip it. Stuck. Oh, look at the paint. I think I put too much weight down. Too much weight. I like doing these in the middle. There. I'm going to leave it just the way it is because it's very pretty. I do like that red gold that I have. That's this one here. It's kind of pretty. All right, so thanks for coming by. Have a good day. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Comment below. Let me know what you think. And hit the bell for notifications and you'll be notified when I do a new video. So there you go. I love it. It's very pretty. I'll zoom you in a bit. There. I'll put the dried result at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried round swipe. It is drying perfect. Look at those pretty cells. Those swirls in the middle are cute. I love them. Whoops. Oops, almost dropped it. Anyway, it's drying really good. I think I'll resin this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.